Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I convert this bubu gown you can see on the screen right now to a snatched waist bubu with front slit and zipper. So the first adjustment was to remove the sequin on the Mikado fabric. So this is what it looks like after removing the sequins from the neckline and then from the sleeve. We are going to be putting an elastic band on the sleeve. So I fold it into two, and I'm going to be adjusting the shoulders. The shoulder was a cut together shoulder before, but now I'm going to have a shoulder slope. So just at the end here, I'll mark 0.75. And then I'll slant it to the side, just to give it a little slant. So you can use 0.75 or you can use 1 inch, but I want to use 0.75. Then I connect it all the way this way. So I'm still going to be joining it back with ½ inch, so that's why I decided to use 0.75. I'll just use pin to hold it in place and then I'll cut. So you're going to be joining it with ½ inch seam allowance. So I'm going to separate the front and the back. So this is the back. It had an opening at the back before, so you're going to close it up. So to do that, I'll stitch from here ½ inch to the end. Stitch ½ inch to the end. I'll show you what it looks like when we are done with that. And then from the front pattern, we're going to adjust the neckline. So this is the neckline on the front pattern before. So we're going to make the neckline a V neckline. So from the shoulder, I'm going to mark 8.5 inches. So from here, I'm going to connect it this way. Like this. So I'll cut and then I'll slit here open to the end. So this is what we have. So for the neckline, for the back neckline, after stitching it down, we are going to use cotton bias to tidy the neckline. So I'll just trim off these rough edges. Okay. And then for the front, I'm going to be using this damask sew. We'll use it on the neckline, and then we'll continue here. So I'll cut out a strip to be 2 inches wide, so it will come like this, and then it will continue down. So this is 3 inches. By the time we are done, it will be 2 inches. We need ½ inch seam allowance at this side, and then we need ½ inch seam allowance at this side. So we are going to place it from the wrong side. On the wrong side, you place it like this. And then we stitch with ½ inch seam allowance. You take it here, and then it will continue. Use your pen to hold it down from the wrong side like this. So pin it all the way down, and then we stitch with ½ inch seam allowance. The way we are through, we are going to flip it to the front like this, and then we fold it in, and then stitch it down. So I'll show you what it looks like before joining the shoulders. This is the back facing. I decided to use the brocade instead of cotton bias. So this is what it looks like on the inside. And then this is the front. I'm not done with it yet. Just want to show you what it looks like. So after stitching with ½ inch, we under stitch. After which we fold and stitch. We fold and stitch like this. Okay, so we're going to continue folding to the end. So I've sewn this side, and then I've under stitch. I'm going to be folding it like this. I just want to show you something. You need a zipper for this style. You need a 30-inch zipper, but this is 24, so I'm going to close part of the front pattern. So to do that, I'll first of all join the shoulders. The front and the back will join the shoulders. Just place them against each other like this. This fabric will fray a lot, so you want to use a zigzag scissors, and also you want to use an overlocker to lock the stitches. So we'll use ½ inch to join it at the shoulder, and then we use a zigzag machine or an overlocker to lock it. So once I show you that, we'll do same for the other side. And then this is the neckline. So after joining the shoulders, I'm going to have 8 inches left for the front neckline. So this is where the neckline is going to start from here. So it's from here we are going to attach the zip like this. But that will be after closing this part. Okay, we'll close this part before the zipper. So the zipper is going to be on it like this. Just place it like this and stitch. Stitch it like this. So I'll mark where the zipper will stop. 1 inch before the stop point. The zipper is going to stop here. And then from here, I'm going to close about 5 or 6 inches. So I'll just mark it. I'll mark 5 inches. If you don't mind, you can leave it as the full opening. Okay? If you feel that it's too exposed, then you can do what I'm saying now. You close it, you close this part a bit, let's say 4 or 5 inches. So to close it, you place the two front patterns against each other. You place them against each other like this. So this is what we have after joining the shoulders. So before we close up the design, we determine where the zip will stop. Attach the zip like this. I'm going to be sewing the top of the zip like this. And this one like this. So you also determine the opening here. So mine is going to be 22 inches. Which is somewhere here. So I'm going to close up 2 inches. So this is what we have so far. So when cutting this, make sure you cut it to follow the shape of the neckline and the side. Cut it like a Y. Don't cut it straight, so that you won't be having problem like this. Okay, I had limited fabric, so I had just cut it straight. But if you have enough fabric, cut it like letter Y. Cut it like this, and then like this. Okay. So we are going to be attaching our zip now. So this is the zip I'm using. If you have a longer zip, you just use 30 inches. Okay. So this is the zip I'm going to be using. So I want the zip to stop somewhere here. So I'll just place it inside like this, making sure that it starts here inside. Okay, use the pin to hold it in place. After pinning like this, you just stitch. You just top stitch 1/8 away from the zipper. And when you are through, you do the same for the other side. So after stitching the side, we'll repeat same for the other side. You pin from the down, place it close to it like this. And stitch. So we'll come back to show you what it looks like when we're done. So this is it after fixing the zipper. So like I said, if you want more coverage, then use 30 inches. This is 24 inches. So this part, I'm going to lose it and push it inside and use needle to tack it so that it doesn't show like this. And then for the sleeve, I'm going to create elastic casing. So fold it, then fold again and stitch so that we can put in the elastic. I'll do same for this side. And then the next thing will be to open it inside out like this. We are going to mark the position of the belt. So the zip is the midline. So from the shoulder, we mark shoulder to the waistline. So this is the waistline. So I'm going to mark quarter of the waistline this way and quarter of the waistline this way. I'm going to mark quarter of the waistline this way, quarter of the waistline this way. So you take your waist measurements, divide it into 2 first and then divide it again. Then place it at the middle and mark to the side. Then you also mark to this other side. Okay. So you pick your belt. I already folded it, so then turn it inside out and ironed it so that this is where the seam will be. So where you ended the belt, that's where you place on the mark like this. So you place it such that the line will be will correspond to the middle of the belt. Then just use your pin to hold it in place. So you are going to stitch down. So repeat same for this side. So for the inside, I will just take it again. The seam allowance, I'll just reduce it a bit by 1 inch. Reduce that by 1 inch. Then fold it down with ½ inch. And then that will be all. Then I'll put in the elastic like I said before. So I'll show you the final look when I wear it. This is Joidala fashion guide. So here is the final look of the converted bubu. You have a front zipper. If you want it longer, you get a longer zip. This is Joidala fashion guide. Please like my videos, share my videos, subscribe to my channel. This is Joidala fashion guide.